Welcome to this full and honest review of Psono, the open source password manager built with security and flexibility in mind. As someone who has spent time with various password managers, I was really curious to see how Psono compares, especially since it positions itself as a self-hosted, enterprise-grade solution. Right off the bat, you notice that Psono isn't trying to be flashy. The interface is minimalistic, maybe even too much for users who are used to slick, polished apps. But if you're someone who values function over form, this might actually appeal to you. The setup process is straightforward for the hosted version, but the real power of Psono is unlocked when you go the self-hosted route. That being said, the self-hosting documentation can be a bit dense and definitely not beginner-friendly. You will need at least some familiarity with Docker or system administration. Once it's up, though, you have a zero-knowledge password vault that's completely under your control. That's a massive win for anyone serious about privacy. Navigation inside Psono is simple. You can create folders, organize entries, and share credentials securely with team members. One feature I found particularly useful is the ability to grant temporary access to shared credentials, which is great in business settings. There's also two-factor authentication support and even YubiKey integration, which I appreciated. However, syncing across devices isn't quite as smooth as other mainstream managers, like Bitwarden or 1Password. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Performance-wise, Psono is light and doesn't slow down your browser. There's a web extension that's functional but lacks some of the finesse you might be used to if you're coming from LastPass or Dashlane. Still, it gets the job done, and for an open source project, it's quite stable. Security is a core pillar of Psono. It uses end-to-end encryption, and everything is client-side encrypted before it's even sent to the server. Their white papers are available for review, which adds a level of transparency that's often missing from commercial alternatives. The downside? There's a definite learning curve if you go the self-hosted route, and the user interface, while functional, doesn't feel modern. Also, mobile support could be improved. The app works but feels clunky compared to the desktop experience. But if control, transparency, and customization matter most to you, Psono is a serious contender. If you're tired of putting your trust in companies that keep getting breached or locking premium features behind paywalls, Psono might be the alternative you've been looking for. Just be ready to get your hands a little dirty if you're self-hosting. If this review helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews, and leave a comment if you tried Psono or have questions. Thanks for watching.